Today we're removing the rear wiper and installing a delete plug. First you got to pop off your cover, and then we'll get a tin and remove that nut. Then the arm will pop off. Here's the delete kit I bought off Amazon. Go ahead and unbox it, and I'll pop a link to it to the description below. Alright, so we got the outer plug. This goes on the inside. We got two O-rings. One will sit in this groove, and the other one will sit on the other side. I will thread this stud in here, place it on the car. On the outside, we'll put this one in through the inside and tighten the nut down. And then those O-rings will provide us with a leak-proof seal. Then once you have your rear wiper arm off, you can open the hatch. And then we're going to remove these plugs all around this carpeted piece to pop it out. That'll give us access to the rear wiper. Alright, now that that cover's off, all we need to do is remove this wire clip. Then we're going to remove these 3 bolts in here. There are 12. Let's get these taken out. Oh, just kidding. There are 10.
And the last one behind this harness.
I'll have to put the camera down. Once this bolts out, this unit will drop straight out. Alright, that last bolt's out. So here we go. So we'll have to remove this rear grommet. Then we can start our install of the delete plug. Alright, so I got everything unboxed. Here's your screw. Make sure you pay attention, as one side's got an Allen key. So you want to make sure the Allen key is facing you when you put this in. And thread it in all the way. Take your O-ring and place it in there. Then once you have this, you can take all this and head to the back of the car. Here's a little bit picture. This has a groove, just a tiny groove that sits in. And this Allen key is a 3mm. And then pay attention to the nut, as it is a locking nut. Alright, so here's the inside part of the plug with the O-ring installed. So we're going to grab our Allen wrench, our 10mm wrench, the locking nut, and the backing plate. And here is the plug installed on the outside. And this is what it looks on the inside. So we'll take this, pop it up around there, and then I'll get that nut started. So here it is with the nut started. If you got someone to help you, have them hold the outside plug and keep pressure on it while you keep pressure on the inside one pushed up against the hatch while you start the nut. So insert the Allen key into the stud and tighten the wrench down, or tighten the nut down. Alright, so here it is all tightened up. I can't stress this enough. A 10mm ratcheting wrench is key for making this easy. Real quick, one thing I did was zip tie the connector to the existing wiring harness that's in there, just to keep it from bouncing around and creating a little rattle. And then the only thing left to do is take your cover and reinstall it with the push pins. So once the hatch is closed, it's close to the black. I know this isn't for everybody. So some people use a rear wiper. I was simply tired of buying aftermarket replacements and the blade falling out. I didn't use that much, so I just went ahead and did it. So enjoy.